Hey guys, it's time for that Friday wrap up. Short week this week with Thanksgiving. I hope you guys all had a good turkey day. We got Bob's 56 here. We're getting ready to load it for Daytona for tomorrow. It's a pretty truck. I don't know if you guys have seen this one yet. I'm going to take a quick look at it. This has all C4 Corvette suspension in it. It's a 6=8 Clifford Research 6-cylinder in it with a 700 R4. Did this one quite a few years ago. Made a hardcover for it. It's a real pretty pickup. If you guys are going to be around Daytona, take a look and see if you can find us. The old turkey rod run. And back in here, we've been working on Frank's car. His nose is finally starting to take some shape. Spent a couple days working on this week. Got a little bit more done on Bob's. Got some of the bracketry done for the cantilevers for the airbags. We did complete the brackets for the fuel tank, just haven't put them on yet. But Frank's coming along nice. I think probably Monday, Tuesday next week, should have it in primer. Start looking pretty good. So it's coming along really nice. Like I said, holiday week kind of slowed us up a little bit, but we're coming along. So hope to see you out there at Daytona this weekend. And if not, you guys have a safe weekend. Enjoy yourself, and we'll see you next week.